Okay, folks, example number 4 says, in 1997, the probability that Shaquille O'Neal made a 2-point field goal was 0.557. Now, earlier today, people were like, what? Field goals? There's field goals in football. Okay. In basketball, they have 3-point field goals and 2-point field goals and 1-point free throws. Okay? I put this up earlier, and you can see here's the box score from last night's Milwaukee Bucks Indiana Pacers game. The Pacers won 118-109. But you can see here that this says FGM-A, field goals made and attempted. So, Luke Richard okay, whoever this person is, took 11 shots and made 7 of them from the field. Now, free throws, he took 1 free throw and made 1 free throw. So he was 100% from the free throw line last night. He was 7 of 11 from the field last night. Now, of course, a basketball game is not played on a field, it's played on a court. But free throws, shots from just during play is called a field goal. Okay? So now that we know that, let's go back and talk about Shaquille O'Neal for a moment. Shaquille O'Neal made a 2-point field, the probability that he made a 2-point field goal was 0.557. The probability that he made a 1-point free throw was 0.484. How do I find expected value? Now, we've talked about this already. How do I compute it? How do I do it? Right.
Don't you multiply it?
I do. What do I multiply?
You multiply the amount won by the probability of winning.
The amount won, which would be 2 points, that's how much I would win if I make the basket, by the probability that I make the basket. So what's the expected value of O'Neal's field goal shooting? Raise your hand when you've got it. Megan. 2 times 0.557 is 1.114. Excellent. Okay? Now, how would I find out, or what is his expected values for free throw shots? Raise your hand when you've got it. Chloe. 0.484, because just 1 times 0.484. So let me ask you something. If you're on Shaquille O'Neal's team, which would you rather him doing? Would you rather him shooting from the field, or would you rather him taking free throw shots? Grayson? I would much rather him shooting from the field. Right? Now, Grayson, let me say this. What if you are the opposing coach? You would want your players to foul O'Neal as much as they can without leaving the game. As soon as he touches the ball, foul him. Make him go to the free throw line and shoot free throws. You don't want, because he does not shoot them nearly as well. Also, whenever he does make one, which is well less than half the time, he only gets a point for it. When he makes one from the field, he gets 2 points for it. Okay? So do you see their expected value is twice the probability as it is from a free throw. All right. Nice. Good job. You ready for your homework?